My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. And today's recipe is probably almost everyone's favorite, fried shrimp. Who doesn't like fried shrimp? I have these shrimp here that are cleaned, but I left the tail on. The reason why I leave the tail on is once it's cooked, you'll take it, you'll squeeze the tail, and you can eat the shrimp. So why don't we just start dredging them in flour, and this is wondra flour. The reason why I use wondra flour is that it doesn't clump. So you could put anything you want in here, it will never, ever clump. So we're gonna lightly dredge this. I bring my canola oil to 375, so now we're ready to go. We're gonna start frying. I'm not gonna put them all in at one time because it'll crowd the pot, it'll reduce the temperature of the oil, but maybe I'll put a dozen. And it's very simple, like boiling water, we're boiling oil. When you drop them in carefully, this way you don't get splattered. They'll be a little golden brown in color. I also have a recipe in my book that we fry merluzzo. Merluzzo is another fish that's from the New England area, right off of Montauk, and it's very underrated, but it's delicious. We're gonna finish it up with a little sea salt, and I wish you guys were here to dig in.